what happens when you come out and try to open cards. Everybody wants to come with you. That's the newest little Pokemon there. He just showed up one day. What's up, Pepito? Alright, ripping into Adventure of Kami's Island. Just a little bit early. We're going to have our buddies here helping us. Maybe I can get into it. Maybe I can't. There we go. So, guys, let me know if you pulled anything yet, or if you've seen anybody pull anything good yet. Curious to see what the hit rates out there are. I know you're looking for the Borsalino or the Eno. I'd love to hit a Mongo. Done it one time. Love to do it again. Let's get to ripping. Alright, so I always like seeing a leader. Sometimes it's a good sign to get a good hit in the pack. Black rope dragon twister and a wiper. That's kind of cool. I get it right with these Bandai packs on these days. Like a Robin, Squirrel, Typhon, Kuma, Seal Kingdom, Amazon, Deca, another leader, Sanji, Nico Robin, and another Sanji. Cool. Excuse me, Dex. I'm gonna mess up my PSAs. My PSA cards. That's right. That's right. Tell me about it. Say, screw your cards. That's right. Ooh. It's always good to see Nami. Hello, Rebecca. Ooh, I see something cool. I'll let it be the Eno. Oh, that would be cool. Or any of the alt arts. Ooh, yes! Love that. Edward Newgate, and that's the devil fruit. Looks like. Sleeve it up. Nice. You want to check it out, guys? What do you think? Is it cool? You like it, Chops? Alright. Oh, this one's feeling good. This one's feeling good. What are we going to do, guys? Oh, it looks like it's going to be good. That'd be cool to pull like a God pack or a Demon pack. I don't know if they have those in here. I'm sure they do. That Fuza. That's cool. Risky Brothers. Corona. Churikani. Ooh, Golden Rifle. Oh, cool Don. That's neat. Excuse me. Excuse me. Opening some cards here. That's cool. Oh, So many times I say cool in this video? A lot, probably. Whoa, Brock, jumping out of my hand. Haven't seen Lucy before. That's a cool leader. With the SR Zorro. Don't worry guys, I'll sleeve those up in a minute. Trying to do this while I still have some sun. Gotta get ready for a card show tomorrow. Guys, we're down to 3 packs. It's been kind of a crazy box. Vega from school. The SR, pretty cool. Let's leave that one up. Two packs left. What do you think, turkeys? What do you think, buddy? Think it's gonna happen? I don't know. I don't see a leader card in the back. Oh, but I do see one in the middle, so maybe. Rebecca, that's a good sign. Come on, Rebecca, bless us with something good. We'll take the Nami, we'll take the Nami. Yep. Let's go ahead and sleeve Nami up. Oh wait, not last pack. I got a few more over here. I'm stupid. I'm getting worried. What you think, turkeys? Ooh, look at that Eno. That's cool. Very cool. That's right. You like that, duck duck? What you think? You like it? What's up, Chops? There's no snacks. No snacks. Lightning dragon. Alright, mid box, let's see where we're at. Got the Nami, the Enel, Savo, and the Newgate. Very. Alright guys, we've gotten that so far, the SP Edward Newgate, already a great box. Let's see if it can get any better. Got a Dawn card in the back. Maybe a gold Dawn, that'd be cool. Doesn't look like it though. Smoker Tassi. Oh, and a cool Sanji and another Dawn card. We like that. Alright, let's see what else we got going on here. Let's see what else we got going on here. What y'all think? No later. Sea cat. That's cool. Another jewelry bunny. I'll whip you into shape. I bet you will. That's right, turkeys. Cool piranha. Maybe there's a leader in there. Oh, that Kuma's cool. There, Brit. Oh, Luffy. First Luffy we've seen today. It's a cool Luffy. Stack's getting high. Sanji. He's a cool dude. He's ready for the summer. Me too. Alright. I'm probably just pulling dead packs, but we're going to open them all anyway, because you never know. The minute I say that, that's when you pull something. It's already been a great box. Maybe another alt art or something in here, you never know. I see some shiny. Ooh, Borsellino, that's the one that everybody's going to be looking for. Because that's a great playable card. Nice. I was looking for that. Especially in the yellow, man. He's going to nerf so many things. What's up, Turkey? You want to check it out? Hook it up. Best of the pack, Turkey. Right here in the sticks. This is our entertainment, boy. Ooh, shout out Tony. And a Jen. Like both of those. Nice pack magic. Alright, before we do the last pack, let's do a quick review. We got some nice cards here. Nice pack magic. Let's see what happens. It's always good to see Akuma on the front. And Akuma in the back. Nice. That was fun. Let's do it next time.